Hello, I'm Ryan Albaugh. I'm a set medic in Los Angeles, California. I've been an EMT for over 2 years. My entire career has been spent working in emergency services as a firefighter, police officer, and in the Marines. I know that having good equipment is very important, so I want to show you a piece of equipment that I use every single day. Alright, now you know a little bit about me. I want to show you a piece of gear that's very important to me that I use every single day. This is the Kemp EMS Ultimate EMS Backpack. I may have had a lot of choices. I'm looking for a backpack, and I read online, I did some research, and I actually watched a YouTube video which a paramedic was showing how he had his bag set up, and he had this bag. And this was great because I was looking for something that was durable, something that could be all in one kind of container, something that could hold a D-size oxygen tank, and something that can hold an AED. So I needed like BLS level kit, entirely good to go, and one package. And this is what we got. So I'm going to show this to you. It comes in different colors. The one that I've got is red. I like the fact that it's easy to see, easy to identify. It's got reflective striping here, so if I'm been over helping somebody and the bag is here, kind of sitting there, people can look over and they can see where I'm at. Another thing that I like is that it's, like I said, it's durable. It's got, let me turn it around so you can see it here. So it's a backpack, so it goes over your shoulders. It's also got a chest strap and a waist strap, and extra padding here, because with all the equipment in here, it gets pretty heavy. But with the extra straps, it allows for it to distribute the weight a little more evenly, so that way it's not just killing your back. I added this. This is a Guardian Angel little light. It has front and rear red, because I need a light in case I need to get somebody's attention or be easier to find. Boom. Not made by Kemp, so great. So I'm going to show you kind of how my bag laid out. I made this. I printed this logo here for emergency medical services, so that way it's easy to identify who it is. I put my name, my phone number down here. And this top bag is kind of where I put a lot of my snacks if you're working long shifts. Currently in here I've got a cooling towel and some wound wash, because that's where it works for me. Down here in this kind of front compartment, this is where I have my vitals. I got a blood pressure machine. I've got ALS field guide, BLS field guide, stethoscope, a little emergency hammer thing, breaking out windows, cutting seat belts, pins, those type of items, kind of those quick grab things. You need them real quick, right up front. Here on the side, there's this little candy zipper pouch. This is where I have my OB kit, I have my C-collar, and I have my 12 by 30 trauma pads. It's a nice big slot here. You know, obviously if I'm using any of those, not quite as often, hopefully, but they're easily accessible. So inside the pack here, I'm just going to open it up. It's got a carrying handle here as well if you want to carry it that way. That doesn't really work for my purposes. But. So here's what we're looking at. I've got my O2 tank. I've got my AED. These are going to be some cold packs, some splints, kind of like sports injuries, kind of how I categorized it. It's going to be my major trauma. I've got a bunch of pads, gauze, anything major trauma related. It's going to go in here. This is my airway bag. So I've got suction, I've got a BVM, and some non-rebreathers, nasal cannulas, things of that nature. This is my airway bag. This is the regulator for the O2 tank, and an easy spills cleanup kit, just in case things get messy. So kind of in here, you can tell if I open the center compartment, it's gotten pretty bad. This is where we're going to get some major trauma. Something serious is going on. My side packs over here, this is where kind of my more easily, kind of more routine, usual minor issues. I've got hydrogen peroxide, some eye wash, medications, kind of OTC medications, sting relief, things of that nature, aspirin. Mrs. Basin. And on this side, yeah. Open it up. I got my thermometers, space blanket, glucose, glucometer, glucometer, This is going to be minor trauma. So you got tweezers, I've got Band-Aids, got Neosporin, things of that nature. Sorry, it's a little hot in here. So kind of minor stuff. I got minor on the sides, major in the middle. What I like is, at the BLS level, and for what I do as a set medic, this is pretty much all I need. And it allows me to kind of very quickly and easily grab and go if I need to move locations. Zip this up. Zip, zip, zip. Zip, zip. Boom. So if I need it, on back it goes. Hard to stand up in an ambulance. There we go. It's the Kemp Ultimate EMS bag. Highly recommend it if you're like me and you kind of want everything all in one. You don't want to carry an airway bag, an AED bag, a trauma bag, 30 bags you're carrying around like you're going on a flight. This is kind of everything you need. All in one spot. And I found online pretty cheap. I think I got mine off Amazon. And I guess after a bunch of research, this is the perfect fit for me. So definitely give it a check out. Check it out. And I'm Ryan. I'm an EMT out here in Los Angeles, California. Keep an eye out for me. You'll see me on TV.